Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and very beautiful because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful wide variety of design ideas of hand embroidery. Yes friends, you have heard it right. All of these hand embroidery designs are very beautiful, very pretty, and these hand embroidery borders are used for designing a various variety of stuff. Like you can use these hand borders made very beautifully with the use of very easy hand embroidery stitches like lazy daisy stitch, French knot, Brazilian embroidery, Mexican embroidery, fly stitch, chain stitch, satin stitch or stem stitch, buttonhole, fishbone stitch, pinwheel stitch, or which type of stitch you like to. In other words, I am trying to persuade you towards the significance, towards the benefits of these embroidery patterns, because these hand embroidery patterns are very easy to make. You can design them what? Now the main important question and the basic thing is that for which purposes and for what type of uses you can use these very beautiful and pretty hand embroidery borders. But going into the further details and depth of our today's video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or if you haven't subscribed my channel, or if you are watching my videos for the very first time, then friends, kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I would suggest you to subscribe my channel right now, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. So friends, now I will not further exaggerate it or extend my massive list of requests and go back towards our video details, that is where you can use these very beautiful embroidery borders. The answer to this question is very simple and very clear and very straightforward, that is wherever you want to. That is, you can use these embroidery borders for a wide variety of reasons of dress designing. Like you can design your kurtis for making very beautiful side necklines. Even you can also make long neckline slits along with these very beautiful embroidery borders. You can design these very beautiful embroidery borders onto your sleeves, onto your shirt, daman, ghera, onto your trousers, pants, cigarette pants. Even you can design these very beautiful, easy to make, pretty designer style hand embroidery patterns onto your hand knitted stuff like crochet made cardigans, woolen sweaters, coats, and much more stuff. Very beautiful and creative like this. I hope that you like my today's video and all of my design ideas were very helpful for you. And not only this, you can design your baby girl frocks by using these very beautiful embroidery borders as well. So you can also design your scarves, dupatta, stoles as well. So with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Kindly visit our channel and watch a very wide variety of beautiful ideas related to women fashion, and hope to see you soon back in my channel. Kindly share my videos massively with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, and stay blessed, stay positive, and spread positivity. Take care of your health as well, because nothing is important than health in this world. And I will meet you soon with new videos. Up till then, Jazakallah, and thank you so much for watching my content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos.